How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. Let's get started. Facebook Marketplace is not available everywhere and you need to be over 18 years to get access to this feature. Let's quickly check your settings to ensure your account details are up to date. Launch your Facebook. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now head over to the settings icon given at the top right corner. Then click on the option of See More in Account Center. Now navigate to the option of Personal Details. Head over to the option of Birthday. Click on Edit, and then you can update your birthday. Make sure you set your birthday over 18 years. Next, what you have to do is update your Facebook app to its latest version. For that, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Facebook. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Also, what you can do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch your Facebook. Then head towards the menu page, click on the settings icon. Once we're in the settings and privacy page, scrolling down. Now head over to the section of preferences, you will find the option of browser, click on that. Now click on the option of clear for cookies and cache, click on clear. Now lastly, what you can do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. Or also you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Also, you can contact Facebook customer service. For that, launch your Facebook. Navigate to the menu page. Now scroll down and click on the option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Click on Continue to Report. Click on Include. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of Marketplace. Now here you have to explain about your issue that Marketplace is not available to you and send it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.